Hey there, this is Heather with TwoBlooms.com, here to show you how to install your mobile presets onto your phone. So first of all, make sure that you have the Lightroom mobile app installed. This can be found in any of your app stores. So go ahead and download that if you haven't already. Then go back to your email and make sure you download the download email that you received from TwoBlooms.com containing your presets. Now what you will have to do is unzip the folder. If you're unable to do this on your phone, you can do this on a computer. Once you've done that on your computer, email the files, the DNG files, directly to yourself, as I have done here. You can see Kaleidoscope 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So after you have emailed yourself the DNG files individually, because they are very large files, go ahead and download them to your phone. Once you have done that, and I already have to save time, go ahead and open your Lightroom folder. Now, you will see in here the library and all photos. We're going to add the DNG files, which contain the preset settings, to your library. So you can click these three dots here to add photos, or this add photo icon down here. Now scroll down until you find the download folder on your device and select all of the mobile preset files. Click add, and this should take just a few minutes to update. These are rather large files, so if you have a slow internet connection, it could take a few minutes. So once they are added, they're going to show up in this folder. So you might have to scroll down. 2018 is when this specific photo was taken. So it might take a few minutes. Here we go. Kaleidoscope 1. We will start with Kaleidoscope 1. Just click on it to open in the photo editor. And that's going to take a minute to open. Now to use these presets, you're going to click on the three dots in the upper right corner. This is going to pull down this menu. Copy settings. We're going to just click OK. Let's go back to our photo album and choose a photo to edit with. I am going to choose this photo, and this one looks like it's already been edited, so I'm going to click the reset button. Okay. Once that's all reset, I'm going to click on the three dots again and paste my settings. Now I have applied the Kaleidoscope 1 preset. Now to save this, I can click these three dots again and create preset. Now you can see I already have a preset group called Kaleidoscope, and I have already saved this preset into my Kaleidoscope presets. But this is what you would do, is you would rename it Kaleidoscope 1 and press OK. That way you're not copying and pasting settings over and over again. As you can see, when you pull up the presets, Kaleidoscope 1, and I have 3 installed. So once you officially create the preset, you won't have to copy and paste settings anymore. So let's just exit out of here, reset my adjustments, and I'll show you one more time. Where are my Kaleidoscope presets? Here's Kaleidoscope 5. Copy settings, OK. Go back. We'll just pick a different photo. I'll try a phone photo this time. And paste settings. Now this was the Kaleidoscope 5, so I'm going to click the three dots again, create preset, Kaleidoscope 5 under the preset group Kaleidoscope. Now if you don't have the preset group already made, you can just create new preset group under that menu. And that's it. So now you know how to install and use your presets and also save them into your app so you don't have to copy and paste settings again. So I hope you found that useful, and if you have any questions, please visit my website at www.twoblooms.com for further support. Thanks.